Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, let us journey together on how to transform your photo into a cartoon. So, let's dive right into it. Step 1. Launch your preferred web browser and type ImgLarger.com into the browser's address bar. Step 2. If you haven't already logged in into your AI Image Enlarger account to unleash its powerful capabilities, I suggest to do so. Step 3. Scroll down to uncover the vast array of AI Image Enlarger features. Choose AI Cartoonizer to continue. Step 4. Upload and cartoonize. Click Upload Images to select the photo for processing. You can also drag and drop image files from your computer. Step 5. Initiate the transformation. Tap Start and await the magic. Choose either the 2D or 3D cartoonization style. Your transformed image will be ready for direct download to your computer. AI Image Enlarger, where creativity is met with innovation through the enhancement of artificial intelligence. That's it. I hope this tutorial has been helpful to you. Embrace the magic of AI Image Enlarger and stay tuned for more exciting content. Until next time.